I am from Muratara Regency, Nibung District, Sumbersari Village. I went to Nibung High School. In high school, I actively participated in various organizations such as the Student Council, Scout, PMI, Big Air, District LKS, the School Unit, and Paskibra. My hobby is playing volleyball. I love being a teacher. See you.